How to fix Roblox error code 277. Please check your internet connection is a step-by-step guide to resolving the common issue encountered by Roblox users. To begin with, error code 277 occurs when the Roblox client is unable to establish a stable connection to the game servers, often due to internet connectivity problems. First, check your internet connection by ensuring that your device is connected to a stable and working network. Try opening a web browser and navigating to a web page to verify that your internet is working. If you are using a wireless connection, try switching to a wired connection or restarting your router to improve stability. Next, restart the Roblox client and try joining the game again. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. If the problem persists, check the Roblox server status to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or outages that may be causing the error. Additionally, check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking the Roblox client from connecting to the game servers. You may need to add Roblox to the list of allowed programs or temporarily disable your firewall to test if it is the cause of the issue. It is also essential to check for any updates to the Roblox client, as outdated software can cause connectivity problems. Ensure that your operating system and browser are up to date, as this can also impact Roblox performance. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your internet connection by disabling and re-enabling your network adapter. You can do this by going to your device settings and locating the network adapter options. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Roblox error code 277 and get back to playing your favorite games. Remember to always check your internet connection and ensure that your device and software are up to date to minimize the risk of encountering this error in the future.